Welcome to retirement life. It is Sunday night about 6 o'clock. Of course, we don't have to work tomorrow. These people probably do, but they're sticking around. It is really nice out here. There's no wind at all out here, and it is super calm. Super calm. And hot. It's really hot. It's in the 90s. It's just what it is. Let's see if I can go into the beach here a little bit. Checking out some of those houses. And play some music. There's our duck. It's okay to put it out when it's not rough out, because it doesn't get swamped by water. You gotta figure that's gotta be like 20 feet waves when compared to what size the duck is. How good the sheriff is taking off. That's the sheriff boat right there taking off. People playing with their kids. It is like glass out here. Sheriff's taking off. That's a good thing. You know, I drank some beers earlier. I'm not that buzzed anymore. Lost my buzz a little bit. Still got a little bit of alcohol in me, probably. So I'm sitting here for a few more minutes before we take off and go for a cruise, because it is so nice tonight. I want to see what's over there. They are having quite the party. They got like 3 or 4, what is that, 3 boats tied up together? I don't see that many people over there though. There's some people right there. There's some people right here enjoying the water. A lot of people down that way. There's a nice, decent pontoon boat with a whole bunch of people over there. Let's see, right there. Look at those houses. 2 pontoon boats over there. All right. This is what I like to do, just cruising around in less than a half a foot wave. No wind, it's just like glass out here almost. Now you got the shade there, or the sun. Going into Caseville here. Went all the way to the front of the thumb. Went out by the thumb. The water's like 82, 83 degrees. It's really warm. And it's like bath water. You know, it's probably not for your southern people, but for Lake Huron, it's pretty warm. Very global warming, that's for sure. Gonna head in now. I just wanted to get a quick look at it.